Hello foodie friends, welcome back to Gotta Eat. Today we are making Jamie Oliver's flatbread. So what you'll need is some flour, some full cream yogurt, some baking powder, some butter, some garlic, some basil pesto, fresh tomato and some mozzarella. Cool, first thing we do, this is a really easy recipe. We're going to pour our flour into a bigger bowl. Take that off. Very clean hands. I'm just going to make a well in the middle. Beep, beep, beep. Okay, then we are going to add the yogurt just a little bit at a time. Give it a mix. Put in our baking soda. Trying to form a very shaggy dough. Okay, I'm going to switch to my hands. May look like there's not enough yogurt or liquid in here, but just persevere with it, it will all come together. It's really, really quiet in here. That's a look. Okay, time to wash the hands because it's making me uncomfortable. I've been doing this the whole time. Okay, now that our dough has all come together nicely, I'm going to use a little bit extra to flour the board, and we're going to knead it for a few seconds. It needs to be kneaded. Everything needs to be kneaded. Okay, a bit more flour for dusting. Then we're going to get a little boliki, a small ball, thanks Isabella for the explanation, about a handful. Form it into a little round, flour your rolling pin. You can make these as thin, as thick, as big, as small as you want. It's really personal preference. Okay. Crush your garlic, peel it, cut off the little woody bits. Okay, then we're just gonna finely slice it. Check those knife skills. And then pop that into the butter and pop it in the microwave for about 15 to 20 seconds. The butter will melt really quickly, so no more than that. While you're waiting for your butter to melt, you can preheat your pan. It's taking a while to get hot. Okay, we are going to grill them over a high heat because we want them to get those beautiful grill marks. So just a touch of olive oil in your griddle. Okay, roll them out nice and thin. If anybody's been wondering about the nice thing, it's because I say nice a lot. Just to clarify that. Okay, the best thing about these flatbreads is you don't need to let them rest. They don't have to rise. They are ready to go as soon as you are. So let's give it a brush with our garlic butter. Get your pan nice and smoking hot. Butter side down. Listen to that sizzle. I'm just flinging butter everywhere. Butter your flatbread, butter your kitchen, butter your camera lady. A little peek for doneness. It'll take 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Okay, while you're waiting for that to cook, you can prep your toppings. Clean your board. Okay, so we've just sliced up some mozzarella. Get some nice fresh tomatoes. These were grown in our garden, by the way. True story. Let it flip. Okay, another really, really awesome thing about these flatbreads is you can make them, roll them out, put them in between a few layers of plastic and put them in the freezer. And when you just want one, feeling a bit peckish, grab it out the freezer and fry it. They're awesome. Okay, I think we're about ready to serve. This looks awesome. Yum. Okay, to assemble our Capri salad flatbread, brush over a bit of pesto. I love the smell of pesto. Okay, then we're going to alternate mozzarella, tomato, mozzarella, tomato, and so on. You get the point. Awesome. Season with a bit of salt and pepper. You can drizzle it with a little bit of the oil that's in the pesto. Okay, there's it. I'm kidding. Okay guys, there we go. Let's give it a taste. Get a bit of everything. It's so simple, so fresh, so tasty. You gotta give this a try because everybody's gotta eat. I'm not exiting stage left this time. I did a mini moonwalk.